Alright, we have number 21. Here's number 21. Last midnight, that was number 20. Now this is 21.
Number 5's order ready yet, SpongeBob?
Just a second, Squidward. Well, Krabby Patty, it's time for you to go now. You grew up so fast, I promised myself I wouldn't do this. Just take it, Squidward, take it away.
Number 5. Number 5.
That's me. My compliments to the chef. Hello. What's this?
Come on here, boy.
Mr. Krabs?
Hush, boy. We're giving away the location of the radio.
What's a radio?
It's where I hide the treasure. Let's get that chest to the office, boy. Pronto.
What's in this thing? Treasure?
A treasure trove of sorts. It's mainly riches from my years in the Navy.
Here we go again.
Of the emergency alert system. This station is testing equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of an emergency.
Uh-oh.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Alright, here's part 2. Let's do part 2 reading. An emergency alert system participant has issued a required weekly test for the following counties or areas: Lancaster, Platte, Nebraska at 4:44 a.m. on December 5th, 2024, in effect till 4:59 a.m. Message from Lincoln, Nebraska channel. Just watch it pops up. Yep, in 3 in a row. Sorry, just burped. And wait for the end. Okay, now let's go back to my bed.
Okay.
What that means said?
That's it.
That's it. That was number 20.
21, yes. Now go to bed now.
Stay tuned for more EAS videos.
Yes. Yes. That's it.
We'll see you next time.
Yes. Right. The next time.
Bye.